With that, I'm going to bring it back to the PowerPoint here. Just briefly touch on some of these other items. So we've got reserving. It's all about mix shifts. It's all about that you've got a different mix of claims and exposure than what you've had in the past. It's always a changing environment. Can you recognize as quickly as possible when there's a change to that? Claim management. To be able to identify the claims that, hey, this claim has a much higher chance of blowing up. Obviously, that has impact for thinking about what sort of allocation of resources within the claims department, or what claims get assigned in what way, and all sorts of information there. Underwriting management. I think the power of having an estimate of IBNR that's broken out, first of all, development versus emergence, also includes loss in the unearned premium reserve separately, and then to be able to tie that back to the claim number in the case of case development, or back to the policy number in the case of emergence, is very, very valuable for underwriting management. Reinsurance, being able to look at things by layer, being able to look at different cuts of business very quickly, I think makes it very powerful for looking at reinsurance. Risk management, the idea that we've got distributions that are being developed here of future payments is obviously powerful. One thing you want to make sure you consider, though, in that sort of thing is things like a common inflation index or something like that as a way to tie things together when you start thinking about things like correlation. But as a building block, I think this is a very powerful one. And then finally, pricing. I think the big thing that is often overlooked in pricing is reserving. Are there differences in development between different classes of business, between different types of insureds, between different geographies? And I can tell you that there are. There are differences in those. And to the extent that you're using immature data, which you often have to be because things take a while to develop, you could be missing the boat if you're comparing class 1 to class 2 and you're assuming that they both are going to develop the same way, and they really do not. Okay, with that, I think we can turn it over to any questions we might have.